In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable sensitive content on your X account. You can simply allow to display media that may contain sensitive content on your Twitter account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your X app. Tap on your profile icon just right here. Head into your settings and privacy. On this page, select the option of privacy and safety. Tap on the third option of content you see. Enable this option of display media that may contain sensitive content on. You will be able to view photos and videos that may contain sensitive content on your X account. That's how easy it is to enable sensitive content on your Twitter account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.